I'll show you how to attach objects to a surface in Premiere Pro. I've already added a video to the timeline and want to attach the Premiere Pro logo to the roof on the left. To do that, I'll first drag the logo onto the timeline, placing it above my video. Since the logo is high resolution, I'll scale it down in the Effect Controls panel. Now, to position the logo correctly, I'll click on the Motion setting in Effect Controls. This allows me to freely move the logo in the preview window and place it exactly where I want it on the wall. Next, we'll use the corner pin effect to adjust the perspective. Open the Effects panel, search for corner pin, and apply it to the logo layer. Now, in Effect Controls, click on Corner Pin. This will reveal 4 corner pin indicators in the preview window. Now, I'll manually adjust these 4 points to match the perspective of the wall in the scene. I'll drag each corner to align the logo properly, pulling one side down, another up, and tweaking the placement until it looks naturally attached to the surface. Once we've adjusted the perspective, if we play the video, we'll see that the logo stays fixed to the wall as if it were really part of the scene. Again, remember that this method only works with static footage. If your camera is moving, this won't work properly in Premiere Pro. Instead, you should use After Effects for motion tracking. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. See you in the next one!